So Garrett bought a boat. I think he needs psychological.
I went to go pick up a boat.
Yes,
and a $200 boat. And the GPS took us down the wrong road. It was a private road. And we just tore up some person's private driveway. And we got really muddy doing it. There's a boat. There's Garrett up there. And this is the freaking truck. By the way, we borrowed this truck from my dad. Don't tell him what happened. Look at mud got way up there on the freaking roof. Oh my gosh. On a Thanksgiving night. Look what he does to me. I help him get this boat, and this is the thanks I get. Ah!
1914.
Alright. Dude, no way. Bro, what the? Garrett, what are you sitting in? Is that your new boat that you just bought?
Yes, sir.
How much do you pay for it?
Only $2,000.
We're like $200.
Best purchase I've made this year.
Does it have a motor?
I don't know.
I'm freaking stuck. Right now. There's Garrett. Help me! Help me! Help me! Oh my god. This is how we got the boat to fit. It's leaning up against this tiny wall.
Oh my gosh.
We did it.
You're sure?
Oh my god. Yeah, I can't get out now.
How you getting out there, dude?
I can't get out. We finally got it.
Dude, I freaking busted my